All right, about to go along NASDAQ here. Looking for higher prices. This is during the 950 1010 macro. So I wanted to get into this trade a little earlier. I saw the setup kind of playing out beforehand, and I just couldn't. I was at the gym at the moment, so I didn't want to, I don't want to mess up my workout or rush anything. So I had a little bit of time after my workout, and it was during the 950 1010 macro. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see if this thing still has some juice. And at open, we traded down. We had massive manipulation, and it was very, very, very clear that they were trying to get traders offside short. We then following up until about 950, we had accumulation. On the 1 minute, there was a 1 minute first presented fair value gap that was respected. Oh, and prior to that, price traded down and filled the regular trading hours opening range gap. So we had a close of that gap. Price trades above it, respects the gap, trades back to its consequent encroachment, respects the consequent encroachment of that regular trading hours opening range gap. We then form the 1 minute first presented fair value gap. That is respected. And on the 5 minute, I was pretty much just cycling through time frames to see which time frame gave me a fair value gap or a PD array to enter off of. And on the 5 minute, I saw one. So I wasn't able to get the best fill. So I traded as price formed into a down close candle, and I targeted, what was that? It was the 8 o'clock highs, I believe, that I targeted. Let me just make sure here. Yeah, 8:30 highs. So I like that as a draw. And when you look back, that's actually what price took out before reversing. So it was beautiful. I like this energetic move. We faced zero drawdown on this trade, which was pretty sweet. I love when that happens. When price just immediately spools towards your target. It's a good feeling. This is on my live account, by the way. Trading 1 micro on my live account until I feel it's necessary for 2. Have a very small inversion fair value gap that I annotated there. I want price to stay above it, treat it as support. And at this point, the risk is removed on this trade, so we are risk-free. But we had after that manipulation, there was so much. It was very, very obvious. It was very obvious that we had formed some nice buy side liquidity above from previous sessions. We had London session. We just had not London, but we had highs at 740. It looked very, very clean, and I figured that price would want to attack. So, but once I saw that fill of the regular trading hours opening range gap, that was what solidified it for me. The fact that we went to the bottom of it, closed it, and then respected its consequent encroachment, and that was leading up to the 950 1010 macro. That's kind of the confirmation that got me into this trade. Looking back, this would have been a nice pyramid opportunity as price traded back into the inversion fair value gap. Yeah, if I was able to, I would have entered on the 1 minute off of that 1 minute fair value gap. That would have been my entry. But it's okay, I couldn't make it to the chart, so it's all good. Still able to get a little bit out of this. And that's all she wrote.